Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how I make the holidays special. This time of year can be so magical, but I find that as an adult, I have to actually slow down and make an effort to keep this time of year special and beautiful and fun. So today I want to talk about some of those things that I do to make the holidays special. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is serving other people. Now, serving can obviously be a lot more like serious and hard work than what I'm showing you here, but it can also be something that's fun, something that you have a gift at that you can do to share. We have been serving in ways that are not maybe like this lighthearted. We helped a local school pack some books, donated things for people that have been victims of human trafficking, different things like that. But I consider this service too, because I really think if you can think of something that you love to do, that you feel passion for, that lights you up, and turn around and use it in a way to influence and impact others, I do consider that a form of service, because it would be just as easy to hold it tight to yourself, but by sharing it with other people, it becomes so much more useful and magical, and it gives you a sense of purpose. So the next thing I try to do is call friends and family. Now, shout out to Xfinity Mobile, because we switched our cell phone service to Xfinity Mobile a few months ago, and it has been amazing and so reliable. So one thing that I also love about Xfinity Mobile is that I'm saving money, even though I'm constantly on my phone using data while I'm staying connected to my friends and my family, or streaming Christmas music in my car. Because instead of actually using data, I'm usually on one of Xfinity Mobile's hotspots, no matter where I am. And I honestly think that's a big part of why my reception is so good. I do want to say, make an effort during this busy time of year to reach out to the people that you love. That's something that I have really been working on. My mom literally called me out on not calling her enough. I love you, Mom. So make that effort, take the time to slow down and stay in touch with your loved ones. Okay, so I've talked about this recently, I think a few times in videos, but something that I have been actively trying to focus on lately is gratitude. And I know that gratitude is a word that's thrown around a lot, that people love to kind of say, and I think people love to say it because it's such a great idea to have gratitude, but it's kind of like hearing when people tell you to drink water. It's something that we can just kind of let go in one ear and out the other, but slowing down, even if it's a matter of taking the time to sit down and write down the things that you're grateful for, can literally do a makeover on your state of mind and your attitude in general. And I think this time of year that can get so busy if we let it, it can become easy to not focus on those things. So by making the time to blatantly slow down, think about the things that you're grateful for. Our puppies are obviously something we're really grateful for. No, seriously, they've made my list a few times. And one thing that I like to do as well is pray about those things. So not just think about what I'm grateful for, but also thank the Lord for those things, because they're blessings and it's so easy to take things for granted. Obviously, what helps make the holidays special are lights. I love going out and seeing lights. Honestly, it's a huge part of what makes this time of year fun for me. And I don't know if it will ever get old, because it is honestly what makes everything magical. I keep lights up in my house all year round. I love them so much. Honestly, I know we all hear this, but taking the time to slow down and eat a meal with your friends is just so fun. And I keep using the word magical, but I feel like especially this time of year where everyone's kind of looking for the magic, getting together with people that you love and creating those magical moments is such an amazing addition to this time of year. This was a really fun night that we had recently where people from our church all met up for dinner and everybody brought an item. Now, there's one guy that loves to cook. So this is an encouragement to you too. If you're one of these people, he cooks us all the most amazing homemade food. Yes, they made those tortillas from scratch. That's what you saw them grinding. They were hand grinding corn. But yeah, he stepped out there, offered his skill and passion to serve us and allow us to all be together. And it really was such a cool, once again, we'll say it guys, magical night of the week. Guys, honestly, what would the holidays be without amazing holiday movies? There's some good classics out there, including It's a Wonderful Life. My aunt's actually in that movie. I know I've told you guys that. Or we all know that there's a lot of corny holiday movies out there. And those honestly add to the magic for me. Last but not least, this event was a new thing to my life. But if you can find a way to get out with people that you love and sing carols or worship music and just be together and make music, then I really think you should do it because this was so much fun. So this was another event hosted by our church at our friend's house, Hey Wanderers. That's the name of their blog and Instagram name. You should check them out. They're doing Vlogmas right now and they're just so cute. It was just such a cool night, so peaceful, so relaxing. And I think the final thing I want to say on this note while you watch us all sing and have a grand old time is I want to say, try to release your expectations. It's really easy during this time of year to have an expectation of how a family event is supposed to go, how you're going to look for an event, how the food's going to taste, what your time together is going to look like. And I think you should try to let those go. It's easier said than done. But when you walk into a situation just with an open heart to experience the people that you're going to be with and have a headspace of gratitude, I think that leaves room for the unexpected magic, that's the last time I'll say that word, to come into the equation. That's it for this video. Shout out to you, Xfinity Mobile. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for working with me this last year. Dan and I already loved Xfinity prior to working with them. So it's honestly been such a cool experience. And like I said, we're saving money. We have great coverage. So if you want to see how much money you could save using Xfinity Mobile, I'm going to leave a link in the info box and you can just go there and check out their little savings calculator and see how much you could save. I will see you guys back here soon with another new video. Bye.